Tesla's first ever pickup truck will most likely be a more prominent sign in 2021 with its unusual shape and tragic look. This Tesla truck could revolutionize the way people drive motor vehicles, so let's take a look at how Cybertruck gamed the system. Before we dive into it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy and subscribe to Tech Maestro. With the Cybertruck, Musk isn't trying to come in and steal 1 or 2% market share. Instead, he's created a brand new market. Yes, the Cybertruck is different enough to lure away truck owners who appreciate its utility. But far more than that, it will appeal to consumers who never would have bought a traditional truck. It will appeal to technology enthusiasts who want a larger vehicle, along with more storage and safety. For many, it could replace the purchase of a minivan or an SUV. And that's why we're seeing such enthusiasm for Cybertruck. According to unofficial sources, more than 1 million pre-orders have been made for the Cybertruck. When this happens to an unreleased product with a starting price of $39,900, it shows the level of trust buyers have in the manufacturer of the product. What other company has produced that type of excitement for anything? Tesla has become one of the most valuable auto companies in the world, based not on what it has already accomplished, but on its potential to change the future of the auto industry. In other words, Tesla is where it is today because it's a company based on bold ideas. And Cybertruck is its boldest one yet. The battery-powered Cybertruck is a great performer that is offered in single, dual and tri-motor configurations, the last two being all-wheel drive. The range maxes out at 500 miles on the highest trim, which will also have a massive 14,000-pound towing capacity. The tri-motor package will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds for tri-motor version and 4.5 seconds for dual motor, or 6.5 seconds for single motor rear-wheel drive, an insane record for pickup trucks. Then there's the exterior, made of the same stainless steel used in the Starship rocket developed by SpaceX. It's bulletproof, resistant to 9mm bullets. Also remember that when it comes to strength in nature, the triangle rules supreme, and the Cybertruck is basically one huge triangle. Not to mention that the vehicle's design allows Tesla to cut down massively on production costs, achieving an entry-level price point of $40,000. Over time, the Cybertruck design is becoming a symbol of its superior utility, intelligence, and cost, and that makes it beautiful in the eyes of many. Speaking of space, the lodge of the truck will easily seat 6 passengers and still will have ample storage both in the external and internal storage spaces, something workmen and campers will appreciate. Cybertruck break expectations and push the limit. The futuristic and bold design concept of the new Tesla Cybertruck is both visually imposing and technologically outstanding, a striking example of designing with no compromises. The Cybertruck stands out for its deceptive simplicity and unique design. Looking like a rover designed for a Mars exploration, the futuristic vehicle is a bold testimony of Tesla to always push into new terrain. The truck is both visually imposing and technologically outstanding, a striking example of designing with no compromises. Its stainless steel form, electric-powered speed, and strength suggest a radical redefinition of the road truck as we know it. The Cybertruck has taken the principles of aerodynamics to the extreme. Its armored glass windows and bulletproof exoskeleton suggest an indestructibility, while its unconventional and almost alien design, characterized by sharp, aggressive angles, is an extraordinary dystopian throwback. In other words, Tesla Cybertruck designs are too unique and represent the high standards the company is known for. Also, Tesla integrated many technologies into one offering. Cybertruck has the same stainless steel alloy used at Musk's other company SpaceX. The truck has lithium-ion batteries, hardware and software for self-driving, plus a solar roof choice to boost the truck's range. According to Musk, Cybertruck pushes the design limits at the very moment that the competition has accepted previously controversial ideas as the new norm. When we consider the side profile of the car, no curves, just straight lines. Vertical at the nose, inclined upward at the front half, gently inclined downward at the rear. There's clearly flow separation at the front, but that air is being pushed back onto the hood and front windshield shortly after. There is hardly any separation at the sharp angle at the rooftop. Much depends on the local rounds they will apply at these edges. That means that there is quite a good pressure recovery. Air is pushed away at the front, creating drag. But it contracts nicely at the second half of the roof, pushing down on the rear window. This pushes the car forward like a wedge, counteracting some of that force acting on the front. But 2D slices through the center don't show the full story. Not all the air goes nicely on top of the roof. Rather, part of it curves around the A-pillar, the edge between front and side windshield, and then curves back up around the roofline to join the center flow. This creates vortices, which in turn create drag on the car. Other than that, those large open wheel arches and fenders aren't doing the car any aerodynamic favors. Although they could be helpful in making the air jump across the rotating wheels, which generally act like air mixers, they generate quite a lot of drag of their own as well. Cybertruck Exoskeleton. Elon Musk has confirmed high-quality 300 series stainless steel as their engineering team's material of choice for the Cybertruck. It's corrosion-resistant, strong and affordable. That's why the Tesla Cybertruck team chose a stainless steel alloy to create the Cybertruck Exoskeleton. Tesla describes the new vehicle as built with an exterior shell made for ultimate durability and passenger protection. Starting with a nearly impenetrable exoskeleton, every component is designed for superior strength and endurance, from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel structural skin to Tesla armor glass. The Cybertruck Exoskeleton is made from Tesla's own stainless steel alloy, referred to as the ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. While the blend is proprietary, Elon mentioned during the product launch that the exoskeleton material of the vehicle is the same as the SpaceX Starship shell. The material impacted both the design and the manufacturing process for the vehicle. Besides the material used in the Cybertruck, Musk clarified that Tesla went with the planar design as a result of the cold-rolled 30x stainless steel's capability to break a stamping press. Whether that statement is said in layman's terms or the material is indeed too hard for pressing, the key implication is that Tesla would have to devise a new body manufacturing method that does not apply standard automotive manufacturing techniques. Musk has shared that the body panels will be laser-cut and that standard stamping was not implemented in the Cybertruck prototype. Besides the impact on aesthetics, this new body manufacturing method will provide Tesla the flexibility to adjust, reduce cost, and improve manufacturing time with its simple flat panel design. Self-driving Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck will debut with full self-driving. Elon Musk claims it will be 200 to 300% better than a human. Following Tesla's recent AI Day, Elon Musk has announced the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck will launch with the brand's latest computer chip that aims to make full self-driving a genuine thing. This hardware for self-driving computer is the company's next generation of computer chips that aims to take Tesla's vehicles to the next level. HW 3.0 is the system currently being used for full self-driving, but it isn't anywhere near as advanced. HW 4.0 is a long way off, but the Cybertruck, if and when that comes out, will be fitted with HW 3.0, which Elon says will be able to achieve full self-driving at a safety level much greater than a human, probably at least 200 to 300% better than a human. This new system will feature more advanced cameras and sensors along with upgraded tech to monitor the car's surroundings. The Cybertruck is a free-moving driverless vehicle, a symbol of mechanical control and technological advancement that can radically transform our transportation system. The focus on autonomous mobility redefines the significance of reality. The self-driving Cybertruck becomes a radical new vision for what cars can do, the next mobility revolution. Distinctive features. The truck comes standard with an adaptive air suspension, which Musk called a very important design element. The Cybertruck website says it can raise or lower the suspension 4 inches either way. The air suspension is a pneumatic source, allowing Tesla to offer owners an onboard air compressor, Musk said. The vehicle has 110-volt and 220-volt outlets, using the battery itself as a generator, Musk said. A ramp comes out of the tailgate, and the bed can be covered by a magic tonneau cover that is strong enough to stand on. Musk had promised a pickup truck that was as fast as a Porsche but had the power of an F-150. His major aim was to have competitive advantages over two prominent products. The truck's appearance follows one logic. It has an extreme planar design. It has nothing round and has no smooth edge. The truck's exoskeleton is designed from stainless steel plates made for SpaceX rockets. This enables huge cost savings and obviating paint jobs with major structural benefits. Cybertruck can seat 6 adults. The built-in air compressor lets the truck outperform the other trucks in the market. Moreover, the truck's huge battery pack is especially fitted for V2G use. As hinted, the truck has a 120-volt 240-volt AC power outlet that could power homes and blackouts. In another vein, because of its size and weight, the truck might be less efficient than electric passenger cars available now, but when compared to other non-electric trucks it would be better due to the inherent efficiency of the electric vehicles and aerodynamics. It is important to add that the truck's interior is roomy while featuring the 17-inch signature central touchpad, and the Cybertruck has a built-in air compressor port for air-powered tools and its tires. It also has a rear-view camera instead of a rear-view mirror, so people can still see behind them even with the tonneau cover engaged. Lastly, the Cybertruck has a secondary set of brake lights for when its tailgate is down and the light bar can't be seen. Tesla could have stopped after it perfected the Cybertruck's speed, storage, charging ports, and tech. Fortunately for those who pre-ordered the Cybertruck, Elon Musk wanted more. The Cybertruck comes with some sick overlanding accessories for the ultimate outdoor experience, including solar panels for its tonneau cover, camper mode accessories, and the Cyberquad. The Cybertruck's solar panels can generate enough energy to add 15 more miles to its 500-plus range, for the top-tier version, reported Engadget. Without range anxiety, Cybertruck owners are free to drive to remote areas and set up that sweet camper mode. According to Elon Musk, camper mode will be an accessory available for sale from Tesla. Based on pictures, it includes a bed tent for the bed of the Cybertruck and an outdoor kitchen, too. It's no wonder more and more people are gravitating towards it every day. Elon Musk's Cybertruck is genuinely a next-gen pickup truck with futuristic features that are not widely available on the market today. Take things to the extreme. Musk's concept for the Cybertruck was extreme: build a truck stronger than an F-150 and faster than a Porsche 911. In a sense, he was attacking two iconic products at once. Nobody really needed a truck with such specs, but by capturing attention it created desire. Cybertruck wasn't designed to blend in, it was designed to break from the norm by being extreme. The visual appearance of the car follows the same logic. It is the extreme of planar design. Nothing is round and no edge is smooth. The genius here is that there are actually benefits the design affords. The exoskeleton, made from stainless steel plates developed for SpaceX rockets, enables massive cost savings, like obviating need for a paint job and significant structural benefits. Musk's extreme pricing strategy was achievable only because of its extreme design. It looks like the future. Traditionally speaking, consumers hate change. Remember when tons of people scoffed at the first iPhone because it didn't have a physical keyboard? There was similar ridicule at the form factor of AirPods. But fast forward a few years, and the iPhone and AirPods have become bestsellers. I personally really disliked the look of the Cybertruck when I first saw it. But since then, a funny thing happened. In a matter of days, the looks have grown on me. But how could this be? How could I now appreciate something I literally thought was a joke just a few days ago? Brand and marketing strategist Mike Gaston nailed exactly why this has happened for countless people. He describes the Cybertruck as a masterstroke of branding, and says it helps define Tesla's brand promise, delivering the future, today. I think the genius of what Elon Musk and Tesla are doing right now with the Cybertruck is they are rolling out what would have in the past been a concept car, says Gaston. But they are selling it as a production vehicle. You look at the design of this vehicle and it's like nothing you've ever seen. This is absolutely right, and it touches on what may be the most important point of this launch. The Cybertruck versus other trucks on the market. If the company's performance and range stats are accurate, the Cybertruck will be a force to be reckoned with. It'll be faster than anything on the market. It has a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 3 seconds and will be the fastest truck out there. The truck can also tow up to 14,000 pounds depending on the trim level. This is more than every other full-size pickup on the market in which it will compete. The range sits at 250 miles for the low-level model and 500 miles for the top-end one. In terms of price, the Cybertruck isn't wildly priced. The lowest trim-level version will cost $39,900. The mid-level version will cost $49,900. The top-level version will cost $69,900. While that is a pretty penny, I've driven mid-size pickups that cost more. The cheapest version of the Ford F-150 that is comparable to the Cybertruck, a Crew Cab XL F-150, comes in at about $35,000. Yes, the Cybertruck is more money, but it also offers more. When you start climb the trim and features ladder, you might even find that the Cybertruck is cheaper than some of its competition. Some of the top-of-the-line F-150s and Chevy Silverados go well beyond a $69,900 prick of the top-level Cybertruck, though I'm sure Tesla will offer add-ons to make that price climb a bit higher. Regardless, the price is a reasonable one. Do you see it as the best truck ever? We want to hear about your opinion on this. Comment down below what you think and see you in the next video.